my plan. What's the perfect plan to take out Nightmare Freddy? It's been a couple of days now since I don't have a plan. I got the perfect plan. I'm going to destroy Nightmare Freddy once and for all. Prepare yourself, Nightmare Freddy, for the worst parts of your life. He's gonna experience a world of pain. Just wait until I kill him once and for all. Not kill him, I mean beat him. Beat him, sorry. I get confused with kill and beat. Yep, I'm gonna beat him. I will find Nightmare Freddy and I'm gonna beat him. He can't hide forever though. What was it? The cave. That's right.